Now to a lawsuit against the City of Greenville that was dismissed after a man was shot and killed at a bar downtown. Our Taylor Farmer was in the courtroom today. Here's a story you'll see only on 7.
A man was shot and killed here at the Red at 28th bar in Greenville last November. His family filed a lawsuit against the bar, its owner, the building's owner, and the City of Greenville.
Over a 3.5-year period, you had shootings, assaults and batteries, stabbings, other disturbances that spilled out onto Pendleton Street, and there's nary a citation.
In court Thursday, the City of Greenville made a motion to dismiss the wrongful death lawsuit against them, stating even though 38-year-old Keon Robinson was shot and killed at a Greenville bar, the city as a governmental entity owes no duty to any individual.
Governmental entities do not owe a generalized duty to the public writ large to enforce statutes or codes or ordinances.
The family's attorney argued the city did have a duty to uphold.
The city had an obligation to protect and serve, which I believe was at one time written across the door of the police units. They definitely failed to do that.
The lawsuit alleges the bar was in violation of several city codes and ordinances and that the city was grossly negligent in its failure to close the bar. The lawsuit states the city continued to collect hospitality tax revenue even though the bar's liquor liability coverage had lapsed and they did not have a license for hookah tobacco.
Your Honor, I'm holding roughly 227 pages of incident reports dating all the way back to 2020 when this establishment opened.
The lawsuit also argues that Greenville police were called to a number of incidents at that location, nearly a dozen within the 3 months leading up to the shooting.
Your Honor, the argument that if you had closed a place down before shooting occurred, the shooting wouldn't have happened would apply in 100% of shootings that occur outside the home. You could always make that argument.
While the judge granted the city's motion to dismiss the lawsuit, Robinson's mother says she will not give up.
I just want justice for my son, and I want them to be accountable for not doing what they were supposed to do.
After the judge granted the city's motion to dismiss, he said the plaintiff has 30 days to add more specific language and refile the lawsuit, which the attorney for this case says he will do. In Greenville, Taylor Farmer, 7 News.
And the Red at 28th bar on Pendleton Street has been closed since the shooting.